Assalamualaikum dear students, hope all of you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Daliya Sultana, an assistant teacher, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to taking a math class for junior 1 students. Dear students, and today's topic addition. Our today's topic addition, lecture 18 and homework 15. Our today's topic addition. So dear students, let's start our class. Our today's topic addition at first, and today we will learn about addition. Number 1, here are 5 and 3, and these are ones position. Here are 5 and how to do find our answer. Now here are line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here are 3, number 3, then you also number line 3, 1, 2, 3. So now we add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you have write 8 and we find our answer. Now you have to write your answer 8. Then you have to erase line. Now we move on number 2. Here are 2 and now take number 2 and another line number 2. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So our answer is 4. Now you have to write your answer 4. Okay. Question number 3. Here are 5 plus 4. This symbol we call 5 and equal. This symbol we call is equal and plus. Now 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we add these numbers line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we write here 9. Our answer will be 9. Then after that you remove lines. Okay. Question number 4. Here are 2 stars and here are 1, 2, 3. Now you have to write this number 1 and 2. 2, this symbol plus symbol 1, 2, 3. Here are 3 star, 2 plus equals what? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you write symbol 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You also write there 2 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You write here 5. Then answer will be 5. So dear students, and our homework 15, here are 5 addition over there. You have to do your homework 1 plus 2 what? You have to write your answer. Question number 2, 7 plus 2 what is your answer? You have to write there. Number 3, 9 plus 1 what? 4, 5 plus 5 what? And number 5, 6 plus 3 is what? You have to do and practice at your home and do your homework and submit on Saturday 9 AM to 3 PM. So Allah Hafiz.